What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the battery on your Toyota Smart Key. Now you might be getting a message on your dash saying the key fob battery is low, or if the key fob isn't working as good as it used to. It's a good place to start with the battery. What we're going to do first is remove this emergency valet key. Notice this little button here that'll slide up. We can take our key out. And from there you're going to see where that key was inserted. It's a nice place to get something small like a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool, and we're going to separate that case. So we'll get in there and it'll just pop open like that. You don't want to get carried away, because you can damage the case. So here we've got the back side, here's the front, and our circuit board is separate from both of these pieces. So we'll notice here that it's got a 2032 battery. This can be a little tricky to get out, but essentially the top two arms we see are flexible, whereas the bottom ones are not. So we can take our prying tool. We're going to go ahead and lift up on the battery from the side that has the flexible arms. Now I find that giving it a push down as well as prying out will help you get that out easier. So we don't want to break these. It's what holds the battery in place. From there we'll take our new battery. We're going to go from the bottom first where the sides are solid, and then we'll push down towards the top, and flexible ends will allow that new battery in there. Once we're done with this, we'll just take our case, go ahead and line them up, make sure everything is snapped in solid. Then we'll put our key back in. So should go ahead and see a red light there if everything is all good. But yeah, that's how you change a battery on a Toyota Smart Key. Hope this helps. Thanks.